Students, now we are going to study about pressure. You know what is called pressure? Pressure means dabav or the force that is produced when you press on or against something. Okay, this is called pressure. Okay, I am putting my strength over this page. So I am putting pressure. So let's do an activity to understand this. Use variety of pins to display your message on the classroom board. Push pins, all pins, paper clips, a paper to write your message, and softboard. Write the message on the paper. Try to display it using paper clips. What did you experience? Repeat step 2 using all the pins and write your experience. Now repeat step 2 using push pins and write your experience. What you will observe, students? It was very easy to display paper on the board using sharp pen, while it was very difficult to when blunt pen was used to display paper. Conclusion: the point of push pin has a very small area as compared to points of all the pins and paper clips. So it was easy to push the push pins on the soft board. Okay, see, you can see, students, it has a very small area. For example, this is a pen. Okay, if I want to apply a pressure, so what will happen? It will have a strong point because it has a very small area. यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा pointed pen है. Okay, so more pressure will be applied. But if I am going to use this marker, student, there will be not much force applied. बिकॉज योर द सरफेस एरिया, यहाँ पे एरिया बहुत ज़्यादा है और ये कैसा है, स्टूडेंट? इट इज ब्लंट एंड यू कैन still see the small point of the ball pen. In the activity which we performed, the difference has to do with the area. When we press an object, a force is exerted on the surface of an object. The force exerted on the unit area of the force is known as pressure. और इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रेशर बोलते हैं. Pressure is defined as the force acting per unit area. Per unit area पे हम कितना force डालते हैं उसे हम pressure बोलते हैं. Okay? The SI unit of pressure is Newton meter square. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter square. In CGS system, the unit of pressure is dyne centimeter square. The pressure depends on two factors, the force and the surface area. अगर कोई भी चीज़ पे if you want to put the pressure on the area, okay, ये area है और ये क्या है, student? Force है. The more pointed the object is, see students, the surface area is very small here. Okay, so the pressure will be very high. Okay. And suppose if I take this marker, this is a very thick marker, तो इसका क्या है, सरफेस एरिया बहुत बड़ा है, तो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, स्टूडेंट्स? प्रेशर विल बी अप्लाइड लेस. ओके, तो जितना कम सरफेस एरिया होगा उतना ही प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा. ओके, सी स्टूडेंट, इट कैन हैव अ मार्क. ओके, बट इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस, even if I am putting pressure, there is no particular mark as such as you can see of the ballpoint point. The pressure increases when the force increases and the area decreases and vice versa. जितना एरिया कम होगा, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि पेन का एरिया जो सरफेस एरिया बहुत कम है, सो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, फोर्स भी इंक्रीज होगा और फोर्स की वजह से प्रेशर भी इंक्रीज होगा. मोर फोर्स यू पुट, मोर प्रेशर. Okay, and less force you put, less pressure. If the same amount of force is applied on two objects having different surface area, now for example, see this sandal. Okay, this is having a pointed, it's like a pen, and see, this is like a very thick object. So what do you think, my dear students? When the force will be much higher? Here, because the surface area is very small. यहाँ पे जो इसका एरिया है वो बहुत छोटा है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा भी ये प्रेशर डालेंगे तो क्या होगा, स्टूडेंट्स? इट विल बी counted as lots of pressure applied. But even if you are going to work with this, as compared to this, the pressure will be very less. It is easy to walk on the sand wearing a flat or a wedge footwear as compared to the stiletto heels? It is because the base area of the wedge is more than that of the pointed stiletto heels. So the overall pressure due to force exerted by our body will be more in the case of stiletto heels as compared to the wedge shoes. इसके अंदर pressure हमारा ज़्यादा होगा as compared to the wedge sandals. The camels, being desert animals, are adapted with large flat feet that makes them easy to walk or run on sand. The weight of the camel's body is distributed on their broader feet. Okay, it's not like this. Okay, it's like this. Since the pressure is very low, so that the pressure is very, very low. So the camel does not sink into the desert sand. Okay. Now calculation of pressure. आप कैसे calculate करोगे? If you want to calculate the pressure, you have to कीप टू थिंग्स इन माइंड. फोर्स कितना है और उसका एरिया कितना है. ओके, एरिया जितना छोटा होगा उतना ज्यादा फोर्स लगेगा. सो यर 50,000 न्यूटन. ओके, फोर्स इज ऑलवेज मेजर्ड इन न्यूटन. एरिया कितना है 250 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो यू कैन जस्ट डिवाइड एंड यू कैन गेट द आंसर. नाउ सेकेंड, एन एनिमल वेज 4,000 न्यूटन. इफ इट स्टैंड्स ऑन इट्स 1 foot with an area of 100 centimeter square, what is the pressure exerted by the animal on its ground? Okay, अब यहाँ पे एरिया 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है और वेट कितना करता है वो 4,000 न्यूटन. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड कितना प्रेशर लगाएगा. प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन एरिया. तो फोर्स क्या होता है, वेट ऑफ द एनिमल, तो इट इज 4,000 न्यूटन. एंड एरिया कितना होता है, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू व्हाट, मीटर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ओके, हियर यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन मीटर स्क्वायर. तो मीटर स्क्वायर करने के लिए यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 10,000. ओके, सो प्रेशर विल बी 4,000 into 0.01 meter square, so that you will get the pressure. Now students, we are going to learn about fluid pressure. Pressure which is present in fluid. Fluid का मतलब क्या होता है, गैस और लिक्विड. So both liquid and gas and liquid are together called fluids. Both liquid and air exert pressure on the object. ये आपको सबको पता है कि liquid और air में अपना pressure होता है. So let's do this. Try to immerse a plastic ball in water. Material: a tube, plastic ball and water. Fill the tub with water and put the ball into the tub. What do you observe? Now push the ball with your hand to take it up to the bottom of the tub and leave the ball. What you will observe? The ball will float on the water surface in step 1, and second, the ball comes up and then floats on the water surface in step 2. So what you have to do, you can do this exercise. Everybody must have had a ball at home to play. So what you have to do, you have to take a tub and try to immerse the ball into the water. You will feel that upward force of the water is acting against your ball. Okay, you cannot just simply put, you have to apply much force to press the ball down. Okay, so this pressure which you can feel in the water, that is called as buoyant force or buoyancy. Okay, buoyant force, or so what is called the upward force exerted by liquid, it's called buoyant force or buoyancy. The buoyant force exerted by liquid determines whether the object will float on सरफेस और सिंक डाउन. ओके, आपको बॉल लेना है और उसको थोड़ा सा प्रेशर देना है. तो जब आप प्रेशर डालोगे तो दैट टाइम आपको लगेगा कि आपका जो वाटर का जो प्रेशर है आपको आपके हाथ पे फील होगा. ओके, सो दैट फोर्स, ओके, द अपवर्ड फोर्स ऑफ द वाटर इज नोन एज buoyant force. ओके, एंड द प्रेशर इन एनी लिक्विड और गैस विल बी नोन एज फ्लूइड प्रेशर. ओके, सो ये फोर्स ये प्रेशर डिसाइड करेगा कि जो बॉल है वो फ्लोट करेगा या सिंक डाउन करेगा. फ्लूइड प्रेशर इज अ मेजरमेंट ऑफ द फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया ऑन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन द फ्लूइड और इन द surface of the closed container. This pressure can be caused by gravity, acceleration of force.
Buoyant force. What is buoyant force? Let's understand the meaning of the term buoyant force by doing simple experiment. 1. Take a bucket full of water. Try to push an inverted glass bottle into the bucket. What do you experience? When we try to push an inverted glass bottle into a bucket full of water, we have to apply downward force. It means bottle experiencing upward force. The upward force is due to force exerted by water on the bottle containing the enclosed air, opposing the downward motion of the bottle. 2. Take an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper. Put it in the bucket full of water. What happens? When an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper is put in a bucket full of water, it floats in water. Now, try to push the bottle into the water. Is it possible to push it easily to the bottom of the bucket? Why? It is not easy to push the bottle to the bottom of the bucket. This is because an upward force exerted by the water on the bottle opposes the downward motion of the bottle. Now, release the bottle. If the bottle is now released, it rises to the surface of the water and floats on it. In above examples, the upward force experienced by an object immersed in any liquid is called the upthrust or buoyant force. This force acts opposite to force of gravity.
These pressure can be caused by gravity, acceleration of forces inside the closed container. Since a fluid has no definite shape, the pressure applies in all the direction. Okay, अगर आप बॉल को नीचे की तरफ, if you press it down, what happens? The ball उतनी ही फोर्स से वो ऊपर आएगा. ओके, एंड द फोर्स अप्लाइड विल बी इक्वल. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही पार्ट पे फोर्स अप्लाई होगा बॉल पे. इट विल बी इन द ऑल डायरेक्शन ऑफ द बॉल. The fluid pressure at a given depth does not depend upon the total mass or the total volume of the liquid. और ये इस पे डिपेंड नहीं करता कि पानी कितना भरा हुआ है. ओके, The same happens in case of air. जैसा पानी में होता है वैसा ही एयर में होता है. When we blow a balloon to inflate it, the air inside the balloon exert pressure on the inner walls of the balloon equally in all the direction. If we continuously blow air, the balloon bursts up. बलून को जब हम फुलाते हैं तो क्या होता है कि the air is spread in all the direction. The balloon inflates from all the direction, not only from one direction. But if we are going to putting more pressure on in the balloon, if you are going to exert more air into the balloon, what will happen? There will be more air into the balloon, and suddenly what will happen? The walls of the balloon will become weak and the balloon will burst up. It happens because too much air inside the balloon exert too much pressure. जितनी ज़्यादा हवा होगी उतना ही ज़्यादा pressure होगा, and that weakens the wall of the balloon at that point. Do you know that pressure increases with depth in case of the liquid? जितना ज़्यादा depth होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा pressure होगा liquid का. Pressure and depth have a directly proportional relationship. This is due to the greater volume of water that pushes down an object submerged. Conversely, as objects are lifted, the depth decreases, pressure is reduced. So student, जितना ज़्यादा depth होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा pressure होगा. Okay, if we go deep down under the sea, the pressure exerted by water is much greater than at the sea. Okay, deep sea divers wear special suit to deal with extremely high pressure. Due to this reason, dams are made stronger and thicker at the bottom than at the top. जितना ज़्यादा नीचे जितना ज़्यादा पानी भरा होगा, जितना ज़्यादा depth होगा, that more pressure will be there, more force will be exerted. Okay, for example, let's do this activity, very important activity of this particular lesson. Where is maximum pressure applied? This activity you can do it at home. It's very easy. A plastic container, a stand or a table, sellotape, a tub and water. Let's do. Take a plastic container and make a few holes in different heights. Okay, here as shown in the figure. Now paste tape to close these holes. Keep this container on a height and place the tube as shown in the picture. Now pour water into the container to fill up to its brim. तो सबसे पहले आपको इसमें होल करना है, then you have to close it with the cello tape. Okay, and then you have to take this to a higher level and you have to pour the water inside this. Now what happens, my dear student? Observation: the distance covered by the water from the last hole is maximum. Conclusion: the pressure increases with depth. So student, जब आप ये सेलोटेप से होल खोलोगे, what will happen student? The last hole is having more pressure. Okay, यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर है, so that the distance will be also maximum. So here it is conclusion, pressure increases with the depth. जितना ज्यादा प्रेशर होगा उतना ही ज्यादा डिस्टेंस वो कवर करेगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी माय डियर स्टूडेंट, हियर एट द टॉप इट इज द लोवेस्ट प्रेशर. यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा कम लो प्रेशर है. सो व्हाट इज इट इज कवरिंग वेरी लो डिस्टेंस. ओके, तो हायर प्रेशर greater distance and lower pressure lesser distance. Okay, the fluid presence also depends on the density of liquid and pull of gravity. The pressure liquid is used in hydraulic machines such as hydraulic lift and hydraulic disc brake. और यही टाइप का जो fluid pressure होता है वो हम hydraulic lift और hydraulic disc brake में यूज करते हैं. Now student, what is called atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric, as the name suggests, pressure of the atmosphere. We live at the bottom of the sea of air called atmosphere. Atmosphere is the blanket of air around us which exert a pressure on. आपको पता है जो एयर है वो भी हमारे ऊपर प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करती है. This is called atmospheric pressure. But why don't we feel? The Italian physicist Evangelista Torricelli was the first to discover air pressure in the 17th century. Very important student, very important name. Okay. Evangelista Torricelli also developed mercury barometer, an instrument used to measure air pressure. Okay, so very important, mercury barometer was also invented by Evangelista Torricelli. Now scientists define atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure means what? The pressure exerted by atmosphere on us. The atmospheric pressure on the earth's surface at sea level is about 100 kilopascal. But we do not feel it or get crushed under such high pressure. It is because the pressure inside our body or the blood vessel and the fluid inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Okay, हमारी body के अंदर whatever pressure is there, it is equal to the atmospheric pressure. That's why it is balanced. That's why we don't feel crushed. We don't fall when we go in to the airy areas. We don't fall. Why? Because that pressure is balanced by our body pressure. The measurement of air pressure is used for many things, including blowing up tires and predicting weather. But students, if you are going on a mountain areas, okay, where the maximum you can see the temperature is very low and you can see the pressure of the wind is very high. So that time you feel sometime that you are being pushed by the air. Okay, so that time, but here wherever we are living, students, we don't feel atmospheric pressure. Do you know that scuba diver carry tanks of pasteurized air underwater instead of air because of atmospheric pressure? It is because when the air pressure in the tank is too low, the diver return to the surface. तो एयर प्रेशर की जगह पे वो क्या करते हैं? Pasteurized air लेके जाते हैं. Okay, they are carry scuba divers. It is because when the air pressure in their tanks is too low, the divers return to the surface. They are carrying pasteurized air instead of atmospheric air. Okay. Let's perform a simple activity to find out why the air pressure in their tanks cannot be too low. So students, what happens when air pressure decrease? अगर air pressure decrease होता है तो what will happen student? तो here there is an activity given. 1 liter soft plastic bottle with cap, measuring cylinder and water. Fill 1 liter plastic bottle with about 800 milliliter of water. Gently squeeze the side of the bottle to expel some air. उसको थोड़ा सा दबाना है, okay? While one hand continues to squeeze the bottle, screw the tap tightly. उसको एकदम अच्छे से बांध के रखना है. What will happen? Release the hand that is gripping the bottle and observe the shape of the bottle. This you might have all seen. And now unscrew the bottle cap slowly and observe. What will happen, student? The shape of the plastic bottle is normal, but in step 4 and step 5 the bottle is deflated. उसको थोड़ा change कर, bottle is little bit change in shape. क्यों चेंज होता है? द चेंज इन द शेप ऑफ द बॉटल इज ड्यू टू द प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय एयर अवेलेबल इन द वाटर. जितना आप प्रेशर डालोगे स्टूडेंट्स एंड द कैप हैज टू बी वेरी टाइट, उतना ही ज्यादा डिफॉर्मिटीज आएगी, ओके, इन द बॉटल. Variation in atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure at a place depends on its altitude. Altitude का मतलब क्या होता है? हाइट. कितने हाइट पे है उस पे डिपेंड करता है. The altitude of a place in its height about sea level. The atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. It is because when we go up, the layer of air becomes thinner. The number of molecules of air components such as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide decreases. As a result, their weight decrease and so they exert less pressure. Okay, तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? जितनी ज्यादा हाइट होगी माय डियर स्टूडेंट, उतना ही ज्यादा प्रेशर कम होता जाएगा. द एटमोस्फियर प्रेशर डिक्रीज विथ ऑल्टीट्यूड. इट इज बिकॉज जब हम ऊपर जाते हैं द लेयर ऑफ एयर बिकम्स थिनर and oxygen, nitrogen gets decreases, so there is less pressure. What would happen to our body if the atmosphere pressure changes suddenly? The blood vessels in our body burst up due to the pressure of the blood and the other fluid in our body. You know, our blood also has a pressure, okay, but if it is not in accordance with the atmospheric pressure, क्या हो जाएगा? हमारा blood जो है, because of the pressure of the blood, it may burst. This is the reason that astronauts wear a special pressurized suit when they go in the space. You might have all seen. This suit helps them to balance with zero atmospheric pressure in the space. Since there is no air in the space, so no atmospheric pressure. इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू मेजर प्रेशर. ओके, आप कैसे प्रेशर को यू कैन मेजर. द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज टू मेजर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर आर द मैनोमीटर, प्रेशर गॉज और मर्क्यूरी बैरोमीटर. A manometer or a pressure gauge. It consists of U-shaped tube containing a liquid, usually water. One arm of the tube is open to air while the other arm is connected with the vessel in which we want to measure the pressure. The difference in the height of the liquid in the U-tube determines the amount of pressure exerted. Okay, see, as the liquid pressure on it increases, the water level in a level, it will go down, and B, it will be up. So students, one end is open here, okay, for the air to pass, okay, and here one end is put in the water. Now जितनी ज़्यादा हवा आएगी, जितना ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा, उतना ही वाटर थोड़ा सा नीचे जाएगा. एंड दिस इज हाउ यू कैन मेजर द एटमॉस्फेरिक और प्रेशर, ओके, एयर प्रेशर. So what you have to do, you have to minus the height of the liquid in the U-tube. Okay, what was the initial height and what was the height after the pressure? That will be the answer of measurement of atmospheric pressure. Mercury barometer. It is made by filling a long glass tube with mercury and then turning it upside down in the ball of mercury. The column of mercury is held up by air pressure. As the air pressure varies from day to day, depending on the weather condition, the height of the mercury in the tube also varies. The height is measured to find pressure. Okay, ये height, okay, with the lowering of the mercury, you can see, my dear student, with the varying size of, you can see the mercury goes up and down. Okay, and this is how they can measure the air pressure. Application of pressure. हम pressure कहाँ कहाँ use करते हैं students? We have already learned about how pressure helps in piercing the pins on the soft board and walking on sand wearing a flat footwear. See, you might, if the girls were very small, we were taken to a goldsmith to pierce our ears. Okay, so you might have felt a pressure into our ears, okay, while the goldsmith was piercing our ears. There are many application of pressure. Some of the application of pressure in day-to-day life are given. The cutting edge of knives and scissors has very small area. A small force produces a large pressure on the cutting edge. This allows the edges to cut through the object easily. It has a very small, एकदम पतला होता है. That's why it can cut to the surfaces. The spikes on the soles of the football shoes have very small area. The pressure produced by the spikes increase the shoe's grip on the ground. Okay, these soles will enable us to walk on the ground by applying pressure. When we suck liquid through the straw, the air pressure decreases in the straw. The pressure of the straw pushes the liquid in the straw. So this is also one type of a pressure. The large area of the snowboard reduces the pressure on the snow and thus the person does not sink into the snow too far while the snowboarding. Means क्या होता है? The large area of the snowboard reduces the pressure on the snow. See, it is not pointed. It has a large surface area. Okay, so pressure will be less. Doctors use syringes to take blood from the blood vessel for blood test. When plunger of a syringe is withdrawn onto the pressure of the blood, it forces the blood to move into the syringe. Okay, this is also applying pressure, and this pressure we all have felt it. Okay, so the doctor is applying pressure on the syringe, then it will go inside our blood vessel and it will, because of the pressure, okay, of the syringe, what will happen, the blood will start moving into the syringe.